Okay, so I'm cooking fish tacos today, and for the recipe I'm using this fish that's gonna go with it. See, I'm frying it here, the Pacific Alaskan cod. You just lightly put it in the flour, then you add some cabbage. This is gonna be Baja style. You add some cabbage, cilantro, lime, some more cilantro, lettuce, cheese, and the secret sauce is the chipotle, honey chipotle creamy sauce, and some tortillas. So the fish that I used was the swai fillets, and then the Wild Alaskan Company cod. So let's see, I hope it comes out really good, and that we're all gonna enjoy this really good fish together.